3D printing technology has changed the concept of traditional manufacturing system drastically, and like different sectors, medical sector is also showing lots of expectations. Different printing technology and printing materials starting from liquid photopolymer, ceramic powder, high strength polypropylene materials are being used in the medical sector as pre-surgical procedure props. Customized 3D printed cast, 3D printed knees, replacement, etc. developed in last couple of years with some encouraging success stories are the driving force to implement the technology more and more in the medical sector. Not just human beings, 3D printed prosthetics have been helping pets and animals across the world. Converting MRI or CT scan data into a 3D printable file format such as STL or OBJ file format is the most important part of the entire process. There are different high-end softwares available to convert DICOM files into STL files with post-processing and simulation facilities, enabling surgeons to plan critical operations in a better way. With the 3D printed body parts, surgeons can perform mock operations to increase the success rate of operation. Over last few years, 3D printing is becoming popular because of its flexibilities in fabricating customized objects. Reconstructed 3D models can be further processed for simulating surgical simulations. These surgical simulations can further be used for education and training purposes. Another important application of 3D printing is manufacturing patient-specific surgical instruments. 3D printed custom titanium implant is the most promising application of this technology. Its porous lattice structure and high strength to weight ratio gives added advantage over the traditional implants. However, there are few limitations like high cost, long lead time, and of course regulatory constraints are there. Custom socket fabrications for prosthetics leg using 3D surface scanning and 3D printing is another promising area. Highly sensitive handheld 3D scanners can capture the contour of the residual limb. This technique is much more accurate and less time consuming compared to the traditional socket making using plaster cast and vacuum hot air process. In a nutshell, with the advent of image processing softwares and 3D printing technology, newer opportunities are opening in patient specific applications in medical sector. Thank you very much.